We are Zenva and we know a thing or two about coding education. Our courses and Unity authorized curriculums have been taken by over 400,000 learners worldwide. And many of them have gone on to publish games, advance their careers, and even start their own companies. We heard that our community wanted to build multiplayer games, so we decided to create a curriculum that would support them in that next step of their journey. The multiplayer game development mini degree is designed to get you building multiplayer games fast. Using Unity and Photon, you'll create your own portfolio of games, including a battle royale, an RPG, and a turn-based game. This curriculum caters to both beginners who have never coded before and to more advanced developers who are keen to learn new skills. Zenva Academy is the leading platform to learn programming and game development. You can watch our courses from all devices, anywhere at any time. And with lifetime access, you'll have the flexibility to learn at your own pace. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to play the games that you'll create.